Hyssopus officinalis information. Hyssopus officinalis, commonly known as hyssop, is a perennial herb that belongs to the mint family, Lamiaceae. It is native to southern Europe and the Middle East, and has been used for medicinal and culinary purposes since ancient times. The plant typically grows to a height of 30 to 60 centimeters, 12 to 24 in, and has thin, woody stems with small, linear leaves that are arranged opposite each other. The leaves and stems are covered in fine hairs and produce a strong aroma when crushed. Hyssop blooms in mid to late summer, producing clusters of small, blue-violet flowers that are highly attractive to bees and other pollinators. The flowers are also used for culinary purposes, particularly in salads and as a garnish. Hyssop is known for its medicinal properties and has been used to treat a wide range of ailments, including respiratory problems, digestive disorders, and skin infections. It is also believed to have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Hyssop can be consumed as a tea or used as an ingredient in various dishes, such as soups, stews, and marinades. It is also used as a flavoring agent in liqueurs, such as chartreuse and absinthe. Overall, hyssop is a versatile and useful herb that has been valued for its medicinal and culinary properties for centuries.